What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2022 multi-folding phone. South Korean insider reports Samsung is working on a multi-foldable smartphone with horizontal and vertical hinges. This is what the device will look like. A month ago, Let's Go Digital reported on a special multi-foldable Galaxy smartphone based on patent that Samsung has applied for. It is a very unique device that can be folded both horizontally and vertically. So we have renamed this smartphone the Galaxy Z Multi-Fold. South Korean Doyoon Kim says that this unique model is actually under development. According to Doyoon Kim, South Korean Electronics is developing a smartphone with both a horizontal and a vertical hinge. When you fold the phone vertically, the screen is on the outside. By folding the device horizontally, the screen is on the inside, so the screen remains optimally protected when you carry the device with you. Based on the latest news, graphic designer Parvez Khan, known as Technizo Concept, commissioned Let's Go Digital to create a series of product renders of this unique folding phone based on the patent. In the meantime, Doyoon Kim has been able to gather even more information about this special device. The overall dimensions of the multi-fold phone in development are slightly larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung is also considering designing a new user interface for the Galaxy Z Multi-Fold smartphone, said Doyoon Kim. This will undoubtedly improve the overall user experience. The company has already paid extensive attention to this in the existing folding designs, such as the Handy Flex mode. The South Korean manufacturer is also thinking about using a keyboard. The display can be folded in multiple ways, which also creates multiple user modes. You can easily place the device like a laptop. The lower screen part can then show the operation, such as a vertical keyboard, while the top screen part shows the content. No information is known about compatibility with the S Pen yet. However, it is very likely that Samsung will also provide this device with S Pen stylus support with the multi-foldable smartphone. However, it will be a lot more difficult to build in a stylus compartment because the device can be folded both horizontally and vertically. There is simply not enough space available in the housing for a long S Pen stylus. Regarding the camera system, the patent documentation talks about the integration of an under-display camera and a triple camera system on the back. In addition, this Galaxy Z Multi-Fold smartphone offers the possibility to take selfies with the main camera system. As a result, the quality of the under-display camera suddenly becomes of secondary importance. When Samsung will present its first multi-foldable smartphone remains unknown for the time being. The device is still in the development phase. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.